Imagine a world where your traditional bank and a crypto exchange merged into one seamless platform. A place where you could effortlessly manage your everyday finances while also dipping your toes into the exciting world of cryptocurrencies. Does such a place exist? Well, that's what we're going to explore today. Is Monzo a crypto bank? Hook. You might have heard of Monzo, the popular UK-based digital bank that's known for its sleek app and innovative features. But is it really a crypto bank? Let's dive in and find out. Understanding Monzo. Before we get into the crypto aspect, let's quickly recap what Monzo is. It's a digital bank that offers a range of financial services, including current accounts, savings accounts, and debit cards. One of its standout features is its app, which makes it easy to manage your money on the go. Monzo and crypto, the connection. So, is Monzo a crypto bank? Well, not exactly. While it doesn't offer direct crypto trading or custody services, it does have a close relationship with the crypto world. One of the key ways Monzo connects with crypto is through its partnership with Gemini, a major cryptocurrency exchange. This partnership allows Monzo customers to use their Monzo debit card to make purchases at businesses that accept Gemini Pay. This means you can use your Monzo card to buy crypto-related goods and services, even if you don't have a Gemini account. Monzo's stance on crypto. Monzo has been cautious about its approach to crypto, but it's clear that they see the potential of this emerging asset class. The bank has been exploring ways to integrate crypto into its platform, and it's likely that we'll see more developments in this area in the future. The crypto landscape and Monzo. The crypto landscape is constantly evolving, and Monzo is keeping up with the latest trends. The bank has been exploring the possibilities of stablecoins, which are cryptocurrencies pegged to traditional currencies like the US dollar. Stablecoins could offer a more stable and predictable way to invest in crypto, and Monzo might be considering offering them to its customers. Is Monzo the future of crypto banking? While Monzo isn't a full-fledged crypto bank yet, it's clear that the bank is making strides in the crypto space. Its partnership with Gemini and its exploration of stablecoins suggest that Monzo is positioning itself as a leader in the future of crypto banking. The pros and cons of using Monzo for crypto. Before you decide to use Monzo for your crypto needs, it's important to weigh the pros and cons. On the plus side, Monzo offers a convenient way to use your debit card for crypto-related purchases. However, it's worth noting that Monzo doesn't offer direct crypto trading or custody services. If you're looking for a more comprehensive crypto experience, you might need to look elsewhere. Conclusion. So, is Monzo a crypto bank? While it's not a traditional crypto exchange, Monzo is certainly making a significant impact on the crypto space. Its partnership with Gemini and its exploration of stablecoins show that the bank is committed to offering its customers innovative and convenient ways to interact with cryptocurrencies. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.